Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, guys, blessed love. And you know, today, so welcome to Kino Life in Jamaica, welcome guys. So you know, today I'm up by where the National Stadium is, but basically inside the National Arena is where they're having JME. I don't know if you know about JME, which is the Jamaica Manufacture Export, you know, where international and local buyers meet, you know, buyers who want to buy products, you know, it's like a link. Once you have anything, you know, promoting anything you want to sell, you know, this is where you have to be. Like, this is the Jamaica Manufacture Export. So for instance, you're a business owner and you're looking products to buy, so this is where the locals and the international buyers come to meet all the craft, you know, all expertise on anything that you're selling. So this is where they come on a day like this. So I guess it's a year to year, you know. So I was invited by Yaya. Remember Yaya, the herbal man that said the dark chocolate, you know, with the herbs and everything. So he's the one that told me about this because I never have an idea about this going on. So this is where I'm going to pay a visit to where his missus is. His wife, because he's not here yet. He came earlier but him left. So I'm just giving a pass through to see it because she sells products as well, to skincare products, like things for your immune, a lot of stuff she also does as well. So I'm gonna go and pay her a visit. And so I don't know what time Yaya will get here, you know, but I'm gonna make sure I show my face so you guys can see what's going on. So if you have an idea about it, let me know in the comment section. It's called JME, Jamaica Manufacture Export, you know. So if you are also an international, you know, buyer or you're a local buyer, so this is where you come and get your products, just in case if you see something you want to link to your limit, to your store or anything at all. This is where you can make the link connected like Wi-Fi, you know. So I'm across the road from the arena in the car park because out here is jam packed. So I guess also what them said, tracks is going on and also the manufacturers also going on. So there's two events taking place here today. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna see wow.
It doesn't matter. She got to go to exhibitor party. No, we
Hello.
We took a picture with Elmo.
Who's Elmo?
In Italy.
Who's Elmo?
You don't know Elmo from Sesame Street?
I'm gonna say about Jamaica.
He's here.
The real Elmo.
The one that they made up with the face.
Yeah, man, they're little. New Zealand sea moss gel.
So basically guys, so that's Yaya wife here. One of those people. Our in here is quite busy. I'm not even lying. Quite busy.
I'm coming.
Okay, I see.
Tell me something. I know people like and mix
Nice.
You can't put it on the AC, the boss.
So guys, this is the arena itself. As you can see, the stands there. And you have another section over here. Yeah, and I got invited. Yeah, I got invited, so I'm come look and see what I'm going, you know? Long day there. Wow. Yeah, guys.
With each other.
Yeah.
Because I always heard people.
Yeah, I do. Leaves. This is chicken. Everyone trying the chicken. Over here you have onions. There's the spice. Self-care. There's so much thing going on here. Hello. Good.
I watched the other day, so you fly over. Now you have chicken crowd.
As a quick trip, man. Hello, nice meeting you.
Jamaicanese girl. Now you know who we are dealing with,
This is
right?
Jamaicanese girl.
Okay.
Yes, I meet you in person now.
Finally.
Remember when I called, remember we were asking him about D when they came to Cayman?
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Me, Jamaicanese girl.
Oh, yeah.
Cayman Island.
From the Cayman Island. Finally.
My brother.
General.
So you're vlogging right now, as
Yeah.
Oh my God.
big up yourself.
Big up.
Kino Life Jamaica.
Yeah.
Make sure you subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe
Go
to
over
the
the
channel.
people.
Yeah.
They give them.
Yeah.
Right, that's over there. I got invited to come see what's going on, you
Yeah,
know?
here.
Kino,
It's
you
a
have
good look.
a whole heap of Africa. You have a lot.
Holy
Very,
lot.
very good.
You have
Very
a
good.
place to go over the side and go upstairs.
No?
Yes,
Start
there's
from
an
here.
upstairs that you can go through that side.
Oh.
And you can able to go upstairs.
Go all through and then you go
Basically, I'm just start from there, come around.
Right.
So.
Yeah, so now you come in.
Yeah.
But you're very tall.
No, it's my shoes.
No, you're no. You are very tall. And it's true because when you look on the
video.
on the video, it's not all of that like when I meet you in person.
Yeah, but look, I don't look that tall, man. Look. I'm not far away, man. Come on, guys. Look.
So you prepare it, and then
Yeah, them shot, that's right.
guys, please subscribe to my channel. This is Jamaicanese Girl, okay? And this is Kino. I'm in Jamaica. Please don't subscribe to his channel as well. This is the first time I'm meeting him. I always see him on his channel, but I am pleased to meet him today at the Jamaica Expo.
Of course. This is where we are exporter back.
Yes, I'm so happy to meet you.
Yes, man. So, all right, then. Take
Keep
it.
up the good works, okay?
Yeah, man. I
Pleased to meet you.
Guys. So back on the journey. This is a whole lot going on. So let me just, hey, so much going on in here. So much. Wow. There is so much going on. Hello. Subscribe. I'm so fan. Right? Thank you so much. So you're not one? You need to subscribe. So you're not tell her about it? Well, you have to go make her in the social media person. Right? What you have here?
We're doing my thing.
You make this?
Yes, everything is done.
Talented man. So you have this talented, unique Jamaican here watching my program, you see? But you never know who's watching at all. You never know. Looking good though. Looking good. So thank you so much, man. Yeah. Start to watch, yeah? Start to watch. You see that? That is it. Start to watch. Okay, there's so much going on in here. Guess what? It's the Jamaica color well bright. Hello. Guess what? I just This is my first time being to one of these events like this, you know. So it's also good, you know, to showcase what the culture is going on with, you know, and see if we can get some people to, you know, highlight them. The good thing is going on. Yeah. Plus, big up to our subscribers also. That's also here. You know, so much thing going on. People FedEx in the building. GMAF closing
North India Jamaica call to the house. We have this world currency person here. Jacob, who is here? This world. This world is here, guys. So she's over there at JP Logistics Solutions. If you want to go and take a photo. Yes, dear. Go and take one time. I didn't know say they already know everything. Hello, good evening, Xavier. How are you, by now?
I am good. She is Jamaica Dawn, first runner-up Miss Jamaica World.
Thank you for the clarity. Thank you so much. So welcome to our second runner-up for Miss Jamaica World. Please, I'm asking you to give her a rousing round of applause. Make her welcome. Thank you so much. Love the crowd and like her now. I want it for the nephew, I make them have so much vibes and energy. I like it. I want to say good afternoon to the team over there at Ray Nephew Limited and also Appleton Estate. Keeping us refreshed and, you know, full of spirit. Love the vibes. 6 are going over there too. You know, we guys have here 6 over going over there. Yes. And later on, we hear some football 6 aside and going too. What for something really if you're going with? Love the vibes. Love the vibes. Hello, Jamar. How are you? You good? Hello. All right, good to see
There's
everyone coming in.
so much thing to check out. Just so much thing to check out. So let's go check out what Yaya wife. For you guys to see what's going on.
And she wants to have more.
Hello. I'm good. Hello. Kino.
What's up? What's here?
Introducing myself.
Hey! Kino, kind of nice Kino.
Kino and Keisha, right?
I like to see.
Keisha.
K and K.
Yeah, you know?
Sure. K, you know, I don't want to sit down yet. I'm going to show them what's going on. So guys, so here we so we got the first 2 days of so to the wife, you know, the herbal man, the healer, you know, for the nation, for the body, for everything. So we never introduced his wife before, so here is his love before she had glow.
I say I'm glowing.
She's glowing.
Well, I'm Melissa Orta Imani, and today we're at the Expo Jamaica for the JMEA, and we're just showcasing the business in a different way.
Yeah.
People used to see us at the Kingston Night Market, and today we get to showcase the concept of our business as a holistic wellness skincare brand. We deal with hair, nail, and skin, and then we connect you to the stuff for the internal through Yaya. The whole aim is to use CMOS, which is our most dense macronutrient that bears 92 minerals to create products. So all the products that are here, that we're featured here today, are made from CMOS and magnesium gel. So we have our salt scrub. We have our salt scrub that is used for cleansing.
So it's for cleansing, right?
That's for cleansing. It's like going to the ocean. So it's salt. There's no water in the product. And this is your glow serum for glowing, what I'm wearing now. And
glowing?
Yes, definitely.
Oh, so
it has papaya and tamarind.
So this is what makes you glow so much?
With papaya and tamarind extract, and it's perfect for glowing.
Guys, she's glowing.
Always glowing. And then we have our multi-purpose gel, and this is for every person, from the youngest person in the house, your brand new baby, newborn baby, to your grandma who may have pain and need something gentle.
Okay.
And so it bears 92 minerals. It's magnesium and CMOS. And we are here in Jamaica. We ship internationally, right across the borders from Ghana to Europe. Wherever you are, we will ship to you. And we're also looking for international partners who want to carry a healthy care brand that is holistic.
Okay.
We carry oils and essence, and I'll tell you a little bit about that. But at the moment, I'm preparing a hair care product for my beautiful, amazing queen, and she'll introduce herself.
So I'm Keisha Carr, and of course, I have receding airline. So upon coming here, speaking to Melissa, yes, she's now putting together a product as a child try. Once it is potent and it works, she knows she have 100% customership, and I will do an advertisement likewise.
So where you do your business from?
I'm a government worker.
Her daughter is Miss. Let me tell you who her daughter is.
My daughter is Jamaica #1, and she's the first runner up in Miss Jamaica World. She's somewhere around the block.
Oh, that she was announcing?
Yeah.
No, not her.
No.
Oh, there's a second place Miss World here.
Right. That's the person.
That's her, right? Exactly. That's her second. Okay. So royalty. Sure. Royalty. I really like your locks as well.
Well, Melissa just started this way for me.
Yeah, she just started it?
Yes.
So it was down?
No, it was up, but then, as I said, I have an airline receding issue, and so she showed me how, plus other persons were here when she was redesigning my hair, to say, you deal with your hair, being tender, being careful with it, don't pull it apart. So this is the new look for today.
Looking good. Well, there's a lot of music, lot of noise, excitement.
Much noise.
Everything I'm going on in here, boy. So guys, please pardon about the music, the noise and everything, you know. So if you don't hear everything, you definitely get more feature, you know, at the night market where you can hear what going on. Even these instrumentals.
I put a hand on those, right? I think that's good enough. I think
You like that one? Or you just smell something else? Hi darling, how you doing? Look good, sit down. You look like you need to sit right here. Magnesium. Please say that the outfit is really good. You can sit and you don't. What is this? Where is this outfit from? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Somebody have some.
I'm Randy holding hand, look at you.
Yeah.
May I call you Randy? You know, hear that?
All the cards. So I do tell it, man.
They smell good.
May I tell you?
They smell good.
There they are. So we do it wholesale and retail. So if a person want to start their business, let us say you want to do a side business, you could buy the entire container and do your own.
Okay, so these are like, what type of
Their
oils?
oils, we have dragon blood, we have frankenmuir, and you have rose. But they're all, this is India and those two are African oils. The beauty about this is it can last for 10 years. Look at that. That's an oil extract. Once you don't use the red part, you could just fill it with oil and for 10 years you'll have this.
You don't want to tell anything like that. You're not going to make no money.
No, you know what is
Tell them
going
1 year.
on? You know what is going on? I'll always be your home. You're always going to remember me and come back to retail.
Of
Always.
course.
Listen,
Which is why
I need something to make me sleep.
I'll take care of you. Don't worry. Just eat your food and relax. And you look good.
Thank you.
I said as a girl look good. Watch out! You said they're fast. You know they're fast, you see? Eat fast, you know.
It's the what Yaya giving me. The sea so good.
See, let him tell you now.
What she gave you?
Oh, the dark chocolate, the Noonan Plus. You leave a package for me, right?
Yes, of course. My partner is a herbalist, so let him tell you.
Is your partner?
No, but he takes the stuff and he knows the stuff that works.
Yes.
Make you sleep? I want something to make me sleep.
Oh, you want it to make you sleep. Why you want to sleep?
Because I'm not sleeping. Don't ask me. You have me on recording?
Yeah.
No, I need to sleep.
You need to
I
sleep.
lack sleep, yeah.
You need to stay awake. You want to sleep. But I guess he might that for you.
I need it, yeah.
So this is one. This is two.
So that is a detox pack.
This comes on a different thing. It's a detox package. It comes on a different thing. And you just fill it off. You put it on here. Remove this. And when you remove it, you put it where you want to. For your menstrual cycle, anybody have a menstrual cycle right here. Back pain right there. Breast detox under or over the breast. Under the arm to detox the breast because breast cancer is real. and on the forehead to detox anything hair. When you put it on the forehead, don't use the adhesive because it leaves a little thing and we don't want scratchy face. And right here at the back of the neck is a good detox already. And I'll keep that for a little while because it will just calm me down. And it works very well.
It's nice baby powder and stuff.
Lavender.
You're probably smelling everything.
What else?
That's rose.
What's lavender and what?
I gave you rose, I think. I'm gonna just smell it.
I smell some baby powder.
Just let me have you let's smell it and then you can tell. Come. Are you ready? Stretch forward.
Stretch forward. Oh, put it here, please. Yeah. Thank you.
She's gonna give me something to make me sleep now.
You want to try it?
You ever been on there, honey?
Yeah, right?
Machine that you have, you know.
Yes, real machine.
Real machine, brother.
Yeah.
Real machine. You tell him, say, can't lose it this.
Yeah, lose, man.
Can't lose, brother.
One seed view, you know.
One, I can't do it.
Yeah, and two. One seed view, you know.
I'm fix our mic, hold on there. Fix our mic.
Yeah, a quick promotion. Finally, them stop talk. Guys, so anyway, so we were hectic in here tonight, you know, and so there's so much, you know, business. I'm saying here is like JME Jamaica Manufacture Expo, you know, where everyone has they got a product, local and international, you know, buyers coming, you know, to give a help and support. We also have Kirk himself, Kirk Water over there, you know, say TVJ, we talk about the news, we give everything, the latest update.
We're here with Real Crafty.
Yeah, and we are here with
Real Crafty. I'm Katrina, marketing officer for Real Crafty. What we do is that we like to promote young, growing businesses. So that's why we're here at this expo today, to see what they have and to help to promote them.
Okay, so this is what wheel crafting look like? So this is a so tell me something more about wheel crafting.
So what we do, we have branding photo shoots so we can take pictures of your products, advertise them, to put them out there, give you quality photos that you can use to push your brand on social media.
Okay, so this is the connection, right? We have Facebook, no Facebook there.
Well, we have our Instagram, our TikTok, our YouTube channel, and our website as well. You can go and see the content that we have out there already.
And it's recrafting that shop.
Yes, that's exactly what it is. So we want to translate marketing to actual sales. That's why we add the shop to it. So you know, it's not just about having persons seeing your product, but also having them engage with it and actually purchase.
Yes, lovely. I know we like to help to promote each other because we have to help each other grow.
Awesome.
Right,
Yeah,
so we can grow together. Nice meeting. So.
Nice to meet you too.
Hello. Yeah man, that's all. How you doing?
I know you're from YouTube.
Oh, from YouTube.
We're seeing one guy.
Okay, bless you.
So you're still here?
Yeah, I came back. I went away and I'm back now. Nice to see you. It's always good to meet our lovely subscribers. You know, we thank them so much for them view. It counts. You only thoughts that counts, so we thank them so much.
So what are you doing here?
Well, you know, I got invited about this. I never know about it. You know, so I got invited.
Oh, so you're just
so you
don't have a booth?
No.
Okay.
You know, I like to showcase my country.
Okay.
You know, and my fellow Jamaicans. So this is what I'm doing, showcasing what's going on.
Nice.
You know,
nice.
help our culture grows.
Right. I saw you in the Bronx.
Yeah.
About a couple months ago.
No, yeah. And I just went to Florida like 2 weeks ago.
Really?
So I just
What
came
part?
back down by Sunrise.
Oh.
Yeah, I went to see the nurses then.
Well, I'm a nurse, and I lived in New York for many years, and I recently moved to Florida.
Oh wow!
So you covered all bases.
Yeah. But the Sunrise, the rehab center, the nurses them is coming here in Jamaica as well to do some health fair. Also, you know, because you know we work together with them also down there.
Nice.
You know, so, but we should connect. You know, nice meeting you. Know. Thank you so much. Yeah. Kino never stops. So see there, we always do the church the same way.
Yeah.
The guy, so we're here with the man himself.
Yeah.
Holding, you know. And
very pleased to meet you, Kino, here at the Expo.
Yeah.
And he's been doing great work
down there
in Trenchtown for many years now. You know, the man has a very golden heart, and I appreciate him very much.
Yeah, man. I'll give thanks. I'm saying, I'm playing my part.
You're doing a great work with that.
Playing my part.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, good dog.
Cool.
Yeah?
Said to tell you hi.
Alright, come on then.
Guys, we tell us the man know what I'm going a long time ago. I have to do my part. Mel?
I'm here.
Mel.
And you'll mix
Yeah, come back here, yeah?
No, stay.
Alright, come back here.
But she says stay.
Take a picture with her. She just became a subscriber. 25,000 make her subscribe and she subscribes. This girl just need to say, listen, it's glowing. We don't have the kind of other girl.
It's worth it.
Yes.
It works.
Between me toenail everywhere.
1 minute.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Sure.
You never know where this pic is going to reach, you know.
She's doing somewhere.
She's going to be promoting your products too.
From my personal.
I'm sorry, come on.
She's 53, you know.
How much?
53.
I lie, don't tell anyone
Spending
that.
2 hours on her body every night.
What?
Yeah, you say she went from Fairfield.
I'm just doing it.
Come on, Miss Allen. And we just try to bring him up with the
Girls, show the breast. Don't let them.
National Party.
Tell her,
Sending a high and much love.
Try to one video record.
All the very best.
Tell him to come right here, come buy something.
The face need a lot of things.
Mark!
Take the picture.
Mark! Come in here.
You know, you see your bag, you see
There
here.
are a lot of things in the store. You can pick what one. Sleep and come around here. Come around
Well. Hello, Ben. Good night, Ben. High five.
We don't pull it, we don't trouble it, none at all when it comes to
Oh, you not pull it
You
yet?
have your option to tell me how pull it. You see?
Yeah, well, you know, yours, you know, so it's for Shanette. So, Shanette,
Yeah,
this
you see?
is your bed. This is your single bed.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yes.
It's not too
So that's the mattress that came with it, right? So you have to go set it up though.
Yeah.
You have to go
Set
set
up
up.
after. You know, I'm show you what I'm going.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we'll give thanks to Michelle
Michelle Cheyenne.
from Clarendon, yeah.
Michelle from Clarendon. Yeah. Yeah, nice, huh? Love to see what I'm going to think.
Yes,
I wonder how bus to the Zane.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
I wonder going.
Shanette, so this is your bed from Michelle from
Thank you,
Clarendon.
Michelle, for my new bed. I actually really wanted a new bed. I never see such a bed like this before, but I love it. God bless you. Thank you so much.
I'm glad to show how I'm going.
Yes,
They are pod from the isn't it?
oh, so that bed, you have to pad it up.
Yeah.
You have to keep pad it up.
That's to my creative side, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we gotta go to a create shop and prepare his own thing. You have to use this.
I'm on my creative side, I'm going to keep the firm back.
Yeah.
I hate this. Tight to the part of the bottom.
Yeah.
Part of the foot, I come like that. Isn't it? So the head,
At the end there.
part of the foot. Part of the fittings, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, see how it fits up to the You see it?
Yeah. Nice. And this is their mattress.
It's lovely.
So we'll give thanks to Michelle from Clarendon. We thank you so much for this bed.
Also learned about
bed like this, you know?
Yeah. So the father said the bed was going, so he's the one that pad it up, you know, and stuff it,
Yeah.
so it could stay firm.
Alright.
So with this now, you know, it come right
Put some
in
foam and
time.
them thing in the foot between, you know?
Yeah.
On top of it. Buy back a piece of foam and put over it, you can. But if you want to buy a cover, see, and
Yeah.
fit up back.
So let me show them Shanette. So this is Shanette bed that she's using now. You know. So that's the mattress there for the new one.
Yeah.
And this is it right here.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
Michelle.
from Clarendon. Boy, it's a lovely gift. Boy, so me I said, boy, we know say you set hard on this thing, but
Yeah.
we love it for what happens, you have a good heart still, is it?
Yes, I.
And we love it for that still. You know, so bless up and maybe boy my heart full, I don't know what to say after, is it? But we love it for what you do still, is it? Like that. That's what I say. That's a blessing. Then say you have me in heart Yes, I could daughter, I love her so much that the sister boy can grant me a little thing for her still, you see?
Yeah.
So I love her for that still, you see me?
Yes,
And
yes.
may God bless you, you see? 1,000 times. Love her for this year.
Yeah.
So bless it.
Right, I will give thanks. Thank you so much, Michelle. Janet, you love your bed.
Yeah, I love my new bed.
So your daddy's going to set it up for you.
No?
I don't know if he's going to do it now. No, maybe not now. Yeah, not now. He's going to do it for one day. So,
Yeah. Make sure you get that one.
oh, so you're going to make Ven get this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So where my bed's gonna be?
Yeah. So we give thanks to so thank you so much, Michelle from Clarendon. Yeah, well, thank you so much, because I can sit in bed come at the right time, and you were seeing things that we wasn't seeing. He was thinking far that we wasn't thinking as well, to know that Shanty didn't really need a bed because of that of like, improvise, kind of stuff the mattress, kind of to keep it up because the mattress was really out, so I'm trying to improvise, we do a makeshift bed so she could at least, relax on that. So with this new mattress, with this new bed, go far away. So after that, now I'm going to transfer this one and make Ven go and sleep on it, So basically Ven, that's share bed?
Yeah, share bed.
Oh, so Ven was share with her next sister. So with this now, Ven can have this one by herself for now as well, for the time being. We give thanks for that, Michelle from Clarendon. Thank you so much, for this wonderful blessings, we give thanks. I may also have a donation as well too, from Miss Lovey from the USA, to help out as well too. $13,000, from Miss Lovey.
Give thanks, Miss Lovey from New York.
Yeah, from the USA.
From the USA, Miss Lovey from the USA. Why you have a big heart? Again, I'm looking for that. Because sometimes in need and times in need. Why it's there and people see it, people see what I go on, and see me a deal from the daughter. So I'm looking for what I go on still, you see? I'm looking for the donation where you give me $13,000. You see? So
Miss Lovey.
Love for this, Miss Lovey. And a big respect, you see? And blessed here. You see, for the whole of the year, blessed here for the whole of the year. You see, and love it for that still. You see? Peace.
Shania, so you can thank Miss Lovey for the
Thank you, Lovely. Your name sounds just like love. Thank you, Lovely. Your name sounds just like lovely. Maybe it just rhymes, but love you for what you did. And I hope you have a great day in USA. Maybe or probably have a great day in USA. And your donation was high. I don't know how hard you work for that, but it's very careful, and it's nice for what you did. So nice. I like looking out for others, but I look out for my dad more because I love him so much. And what your donation gave us was sweet and very sweet, very sweet. Just as a huge heart like God and Jesus.
Thank you. Alright, then.
Yes, I was loving. Blessed heart, is it? And peace, yeah?
Yeah.
That is our peace and love.
Peace and love. Hello, Ben.
How are you today?
How are you doing?
I feel thanks to and so
It's lovely.
Yeah.
She wants to say thanks.
She's not, I call it mentally interrupted.
Yeah, she's trying.
Reason,
Yeah.
I call it she's a reason,
Yeah.
she not that ability. Somewhere, somehow, we are praise.
One
Some
day.
can flip, is it?
Yeah. One day.
She's an observative person.
Mm-hmm.
And she listen. So, we see it last year.
Yeah.
My pass her. Sometimes she asks about the question, but she don't want to answer. She says, is it?
Yeah.
So repeat what we always say, And that is that, and that is what, and that is what. So, basically, my fellows know if it go on, she is still, is it?
Yeah. Ven! Thank you, Ven. High five. High five. That's Ven. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, Ven. Bye. Papi, give thanks.
Give thanks, you see?
Yeah, man.
Kino.
Yeah, man.
Blessed, you see?
Every time, man.
You are the thing, you see me?
Yeah, Almighty, you know.
I do my thing straight.
Yeah.
For that still, you see?
Yeah, man, give thanks,
blessed
man.
time, you see?
Almighty works, you know. Yeah.
I just got on time and everything that's work out for me, I'm for that still, you see?
Yeah, man, give thanks.
Yeah, man, and because of you and certain people,
Yeah.
nation, I'm give thanks to the people that deal with it. The man with them deal with it still, you see? Yeah, man. Just be love, you see?
Yeah, man.
Be love.
We have a whole heap of wire, so go on, man.
Now we just cut it down, because now we just cut, because I know my house burn down again. Come connection go on with some people up on the main, so I just can't bother the argument.
You say take them down?
You know, me take off myself. My wire, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was a person give me some light, because I'm done so you can't come to mom, I try to stay out of it. I don't want to say,
Yeah.
because you say right now, confrontation. Them two can go there. You can't, lay a thing with nobody.
I understand, man.
See? We go through it in a year, but we just stop it out.
Yeah.
We go up and we are youth, we know the toughness. See?
We go and hold it out, see, man.
We know the toughness, man, so we have to just know what's boy, hear me? You have to eat, spit, gin, and drink your blood, is it?
Yeah,
if a man thump in your mouth, just swallow your blood and know so I say go.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah, man.
In between.
Say things, man.
Go and hold the faith, you know.
Yeah, man, there, man, and give thanks, as them say.
Yeah, man.
You are the man, is it me?
The Almighty and everything possible, you know. We give thanks to our extended family, you know, that reach out.
Yeah, Kino and the extended family, is it?
Yeah, man, keep
say things, say. You love them for that still, is it?
Yeah.
Love them to go on still and want to see what I portray me youth, the man them there, is it? Because it's a positive youth.
Yeah.
Straight positive.
That's what they get, you know, they get the energy from you.
Straight positive, no nonsense thing, is it? So when I come, that's why I see me not up on corner with nobody. I'm not trying to stand up and no conversation about it. Because we are going to say to me in no word sense, is it?
Yeah, so you just stay inside.
Yeah. Me know who they on the road, so I don't have to go out the road. I can't stay until who they on the road. Yeah, so I don't have to go out the road.
So you just go with the vibes inside.
More time I'm on Venice and I sit down.
Yeah.
We get up, fed up, let's get up and come in.
Come inside.
I mean that, man, is it?
Yeah, man, I righteous way, man.
So we just keep focused, man. Yeah, thing I know, so boy. Life. Then I have people carry behind me, because they have them to carry behind me until me don't know where to go, is it? That's something see, is it me?
True.
Go back to dust.
Yeah.
But she are my biggest start, is it me? When me gone, somebody to carry on for she, that's then.
Yeah.
See? So, you have to beg my youth them and show them love. That's one of them can pick up the mantle. You see me, I know, say, boy, my father do this, so we know that she never to 95%, so we have to keep her. Zero knows, say, boy, the 1% we know she stay, is it? Yeah, man.
Alright, then let's go on with the faith, see me, Papi.
Yeah, man, I could have bet mother go or sister go, but I just tell myself, say.
Yeah, you are
my youth and me, is it? Because I bet mother go or sister go and some abuse about there.
Yeah.
Some abuse about there, is it? And me I don't want to know about certain things. Because he's a father. You know, tell him he's a father, is it? Certain things, you know, no nonsense. Is it? Yeah, man. So respect every one of the donors them who watch me and know, so boy. I love me, say, is it? Yeah, man. Strict
father for the year.
Yeah, man.
Father for the year. Bye-bye. High five. Alright, babe. Take care, okay? One Ven, you know? Take care, okay? Take care. See, she want to talk, you know? Take care of yourself, okay?
One time she never talk to nobody.
And now it's still take our time.
Take our say, them shall pull out away, you see me?
It is what it is, man. Alright, yeah?
When it's young like Jonathan, I find out what I want. I look at money I spend.
And I try.
I'm quite got family life ministry of PR. 4,000 an hour. Top of conscience people.
An hour?
Yeah. I find out that now I'm going to got children and guidance guns. And they give me some pill for give. I'm not telling you, pill and mash up all it, never stop, yeah.
Make it
I don't get to
worse.
sleep, none at all.
Yeah.
Yeah? I get to sleep, none at all, I'm telling you.
Make it worse.
A couple years after she start move good. And my sister boy, hear me? Me do all type of change. Love her to search, love her to her, she come back on to herself. You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You see? One thing I say, boy, I send her to school, but she never have the mind. She can't come help herself. But my problem, you see?
Yeah.
Let me tell you something, he's a father today, you see?
Yeah.
From the final, she's 7 years old. I cry, but crying can't work, so I see that for a couple of years. So I never stand up on my foot. Man, you see? I know some boy, my problem is.
You stand
She
strong.
did?
Yeah.
Till she come in at the picture, but she don't go on good. After a sudden foot does. Everything does capsize, you see? So I have to keep a firm the same way. You can't go on like more fake out the thing, you see me?
True.
So I will stand up strong on my foot and know some boy. Carry the man crazy, you don't get them already, I love them so much. You see me?
You stick with them, of course.
Yeah, stick with them, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I didn't be like you know the boy being one.
Yeah.
So,
bye, Chanel.
Yeah.
Bye, Ben. Bye. Alright, guys, so we'll give thanks. Night outside. Yeah.
Watch out now, you see Life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.